Welcome to Joom Talks, both returning and new subscribers. Today we've got something special for those of you looking to make money by creating YouTube content. And guess what? It's all about leveraging an incredible tool called Invideo. Whether you're new here or a returning viewer, make sure to hit that subscribe button and ring the bell to stay updated on all things digital income. Now let's get into it. First, what's Invideo? Invideo is a game-changing online video editor that is designed to help you produce high-quality content without needing expert editing skills or expensive software. With thousands of templates, a user-friendly interface, and a wealth of stock footage and music, it's your go-to platform for video creation. And here's the best part. As an affiliate of Invideo, I've got a special link for you all. By using this link to sign up, you not only get access to amazing discounts, but also support our channel to bring more content like this. Check out the link in the description below. Now let's talk strategy. Making money on YouTube isn't just about hitting record. It's about creating content that engages, informs, or entertains your audience. And with Invideo, here's how you can do that exactly. So our first step is to find your niche. You identify topics you are passionate about, whether it's tech reviews, cooking tutorials, or fitness advice. Invideo has templates to make your video stand out. Our second step to creating these videos on Invideo website is to create engaging content. Use Invideo to craft your videos, start from scratch, or use a template to add professional flair to your content. Remember, engaging content is more likely to get views, likes, and shares. Now let's go into Invideo. Let me walk you through how it works. First off, when you log into your Invideo, you will be presented with this page. You can see my name here. Let me show you the subscriptions that they have. Go to subscription. Then I'm not upgrading, but I just want to show you upgrade plan. So you have free for anyone who wishes to try AI in video creations. So you have, these are the things that you have when you are free, you're a free subscriber. Then you have plus one, you have the max. So depending on your usage, you decide which one suits your plan. Then coming back to where we're going to create, I'm going to show you how to create a video. I already have a topic because I have two channels. I have two YouTube channels, which I'm going to show you the two channels that I've used this Invideo to create my channel purely from this Invideo. I have a space channel and I have a history channel that I've used Invideo to create. So let me paste my topic here. So after pasting your topic here, usually you choose whether you the type of video you want to create. You want to create a YouTube explainer, a script to video, YouTube shorts, then maybe a TikTok video or Instagram reel. But we are going to create an explainer YouTube video. So they asked us to choose how long do you want your video to be, what's the length of your video. In my own case, for my topic, I'm just going to choose let's say 5 minutes video. Then I'm going to place my topic here. The topic is the role of women in space exploration, from hidden figures to leading lights. So if you want to add anything, because it's good to add things that you want it to do. If you just give it a topic, it's just going to go ahead and create the topic and create a video for you. But if you go ahead to like add specifications, it's going to make it better. Like it gives options that things like make this video your own by adding detailed creative thoughts, ideas like tone, humor. So whatever you want to add, you can add it here so that the AI can go ahead and create exactly what you want. Then you're given the chance to choose the background music if you want any type of music. For me, I enjoy using the upbeat music. And I also like using, for this video that I'm creating is a space one, I like using a male voice. And I like using the middle age British voice. And I want the video to be subtitled. I usually like the one that has highlight in yellow. Add word by word subtitles where the current spoken word is in yellow. So we'll choose this one. I will choose, you have different options of how you want the stock to be used, because it's your own stock that you paid for that is being used. So I'm just going to say it should use in stock normally, and I'll click continue. So these are the things that it's going to do. It's just giving you a summary of how the video is going to be created, what you want. So you now click on generate a video. This is usually going to take some time. So in order not to make the video too long, I'm going to stop here and we'll come back when the video has been generated. So the next stage is that is asking us to choose our audience, look and feel, platform. So in our own case, it chose space enthusiast, which is what we want. Look and feel, inspiring, professional or clean, we want inspiring. Platform is YouTube, so we're going to say continue. If we don't want that, we're going to edit it. We edit our prompt, or we choose other things from here, then we press continue. Now it's generating. Let's see if we can wait to see it generate. If it's taking too long, I'm still going to come back. So we can see here that the AI has finished generating the video. Sometimes it takes up to 2 to 3 minutes to generate the video. Let's play the video to watch some of it.
The year is 1961. Yuri Gagarin becomes the first human to orbit Earth, marking the beginning of manned space exploration. As the space race ignited, a new era dawned, a testament to human ingenuity and the thirst for knowledge. But in these initial years, the faces we saw venturing into the cosmos were predominantly male.
So here you can see that we have played some of the video. You know that we said it should generate like 5 minutes video, and it has done that. You can see the time. What you can do is, maybe you don't like the stock videos, the stock images used or videos used. You can always come here and edit. But before we do that, you can give it a prompt here. It says, give me a command to edit the video. So let's say you finish watching the video that it generates, and maybe there's a scene that you don't like. You can just write a prompt here and you click generate, and it will change that thing that you want it changed. Another thing you could do is to edit. When you go to edit, you can see the scenes. Let's say in this edit you don't like any of the scenes. You can just write here, maybe space image or space video. Let's say, for instance, this space video, this one here, or this one is something you don't like and you want it changed. You have clicked on it, you just search here for space video or space image, whichever one you want, and you will look for it and change it with this one. And change it, let's say space video, space video, space video, and it gives you all that. You can always choose because it's already here. This one is there. It's already, you clicked this already, so you can just replace it with this and you can see it's there. So at the end of the day, when you finish, you apply the changes here and it changes the video that was here before. Another thing is, if you don't like what is written, maybe you have your own words that you want to input, you can always edit this text and input your own words into this space. And when you go back after applying the changes, you will see that it has applied the changes to your video. So we are not making any changes because I've not watched it. I'm going to come back and watch that later. So that's how you should do it. Even in your script, when you want the AI to generate a script, you can always go to ChatGPT and write your own script and paste it on that that's this side that we saw the other time. Instead of writing just the title after clicking YouTube explainer, let's say we are trying to create a YouTube explainer video, rather than just clicking here and writing your title, you can decide to write your own script. Write your own script, maybe ask ChatGPT to write a script the way you want the script to be written. Then you come back and paste it here. Just be mindful of the character. You have 3,600 character. I've tried it before. My own script was longer, so I couldn't do that. You have to be mindful that the character isn't that long. But it's something that you should try, because I already have two YouTube channels on that, and it's beginning to work well. Though it's not all the way there, but it's beginning to work well. So I will encourage you to try this AI video creator. So like I told you, I was going to show you the channels that I use my Invideo account to make. This is one of my channels. This is a space channel, and the topic that I wrote about was for this channel. So maybe you should come back to this channel and check that topic out, the one I showed you the tutorial about. You can always come back and see that it will be my latest video that I'm going to post. This video is just, this channel is in infancy. It's in its infancy state, so don't despise the days of little beginnings. For this channel, I have just 34 subscribers, but they are organic subscribers, people who love space content, and they are coming back to watch my new videos. You should try that. This is the space one. Let me go back and show you the other history one. That one is doing better than this one. All done with Invideo website. So we are right here on my historical heralds. That's the name of my channel. This is my history channel. I started them about the same time, but you can see that this one is doing fairly well. I have 92 subscribers, organic subscribers, and you can see that some of my content are really doing well. I've created a lot of videos with Invideo. All these videos you can see here that I've created, I use that tool. All I try to do is do my own research as well, because I enjoy these topics that I'm creating. You can see that some of them have seen my views. Some have like 1,536 views. I think I have that has up to like 4,000 views or so. And it's all because people love this content. They want to learn about history. So you too can do that. I know a lot of channels that inspired me to make mine that have gone very far. They've made a lot of videos from this and they have a lot of viewers and they have a lot of subscribers. So it's something that is doable. I think you should attempt it and see if it's something you really want to. You were able to get something from the step by step in video tutorial that I showed you. So now let's go to our third step. Our third step is optimize for YouTube. Your titles, your descriptions, and your tags matter. Use Invideo's text overlay features to add eye-catching titles and call to actions within your video. The fourth step is to monetize your channel. Once you meet the YouTube's monetization criteria, you can start earning through ads, sponsorships, and affiliate links. Speaking of, using Invideo can significantly improve the quality of your affiliate marketing videos, increasing conversion rates. And it's not just about making any video, it's about making videos that sell. Invideo helps you tell compelling stories about the products you are promoting, making your affiliate links irresistible to click. Don't just take my word for it. Many successful YouTubers started right where you are and have grown their channels into income-generating powerhouse. Thanks to quality content made with Invideo. Apart from other successful YouTubers using it, I made 2 of my channels entirely from Invideo like I showed you, and it's already doing well. From zero to hero, content creators are transforming their passions into paychecks. And with Invideo you're by your side, you are already on the fast track to YouTube success. Ready to start your YouTube journey and make money with Invideo? Click the link in the description to get started today. And remember, every great journey begins with a single step and perhaps a great video. If you found this guide helpful, smash that like button, share it with aspiring YouTubers, and subscribe for more insights and making money online. Got questions or success stories to share? Drop them in the comments below. Would love to hear from you. Thank you so much for watching, and here's to your success. Catch you in the next video.